Well, it is a very exciting day today. Those who like machines feel romance about automobiles. It is extremely interesting to find pleasure in driving. I drive, but I'm flying drones also. It is beyond any description how exciting it is to fly high over the sky as it did so when driving. Vehicle and drone, drone and vehicle, and plus alpha. Let me introduce Soonvi's DMS-3 functioning as Mobile Integrated Control System vehicle. It is none other than Soonvi that produces DMS-3 equipped with drones flying free anywhere and vehicle maneuverability. Here, DMS stands for Driving Mobile Station. Soonvi produces drone and vehicle EMS that enable to move quickly and carry out its mission wherever drones are necessary. DMS-3 is Soonvi's third mobile integrated control system vehicle. DMS-1 and DMS-2 establish all the systems of 5 and 3.5-ton vehicles equipped with special devices respectively, and DMS-3 establishes all the systems on SUV. DMS-3 was made based on SUT so that enabling to move quickly anywhere that is wanted. It gives an easy access to any road, paved or unpaved roads. The trunk in the rear and the drone in the upper are loaded. You can see the scene of nice mobility a few minutes later. You have a great number of things that you can see. Please follow here. Let's look into the vehicle. Originally, the vehicle is equipped with 4 seats. There's a control system in the rear seats, leaving the 2 seats in front. Because of it, a one-person operation system is available. The drones can move and fly the preferred area, carrying out the function as control system. Drone usually flies by operation vehicle, tablet, or laptop. The DMS-3 integrated control system consists of 2 servers and 2 monitors. Firstly, its GCS plays a role to manipulate a drone, set a given mobile route, and monitor the scene that the drone sees. Secondly, it undertakes a role to embody geography into 3D mapping in real time, based on photo that is taken in the drone with the use of Pix4D. This system contains digital map, cadastral map, and satellite photograph. It is said that this system can operate 4 drones at maximum at the same time, and it is also said that this system is used intuitionally. Next, I'll introduce the most impressive scene that I consider most interesting and wanting to show you most than any other scenes. It is none other than DMS-3's drone hangar system. Let's look into DMS-3's drone hangar from the bottom to the end. First, open the top, and then open the below. The rear of the vehicle is the drone hangar. The ceiling composes of a slide open type that makes the drone takeoff run up here. The drone takes off and lands on the spot. The vehicle drone hangar accommodates 4 drones at maximum. All the drones and GCS system operates by 7 kilowatts of its own generator. Inside the drone hangar is the plug familiar to us. In the rear side of the drone hangar are 2 inverters. In the center of the drone hangar is a black box. There is the tethering system, one of the special merits that DMS-3 has. This system is in the cable connection with the drone, which can extend flight hours up to 5 to 6 hours. The using only a battery usually requires the drone flight hours by half an hour, but this tethering system can extend flight hours at maximum. Let's find out more about it later. Up to now, we've looked into the structure of DMS-3 from the bottom to the end. Vehicles and drones look nicer when they really drive. Now let's try a field test. The stored drone in DMS-3 is V80. V80 equips itself with the AI Hypervisor OS developed by SUMV. The AI flight controlling system is loaded in it. In particular, this technology equipped the same with the Surion helicopter that has been applied. The size of its drone body amounts to approximately 80 centimeters, weighing some 10 kilograms involving battery. The biggest feature is that it can zoom in 30 times. V80 can make two flight methods, namely cable and radio controlled flight. V80 takes 60 kilometers per hour and radio flight hours takes half an hour. V80 that can zoom up to 30 times moves to DMS-3, so drone alone can move to where it is hard to move and makes it possible to be observed. Firstly, let's try to conduct a topographic analysis with V80. The first things to be considered in order to it is that V80 designates a route in a topography that needs exploring. Once V80 begins to fly and a camera takes the pictures in real time, 3D mapping is available with Pix4D. V80 camera is equipped with optical camera and thermal imaging camera. Through its cable vehicle body, it can monitor all surrounding areas in a stick form at the altitude of 100. It can fly for a long time, up to 5 to 6 hours on a wired flight. In case caution is needed to check during the flight, a radio vehicle body that has free mobile radiometer can be co-used with a cable vehicle. In order to catch an object at a distance, an optical camera can be used. Thermal imaging camera can be used according to the circumstances. Photographing and storing images are not all. It is possible to share with any place where the photographed scenes are necessary in real time with 4G mobile communication system LTE. All the systems are connected to DMS, Disaster Response Solution. When someone in difficult situation asks for rescuing with a smartphone app, the situation about it is reported to 119. Also, DMS-3 can figure out the situation in any place that it is hard to understand. Time spent with Mobile Integrated Control System for Drone, DMS-3. I think it will be such a valuable and pleasant experience. When I began to try handling this vehicle, I felt a sense of pressure. The size and hangar of this vehicle, and especially the management system, made me feel like that. But when I handled this vehicle, it was extremely intuitional and enables anyone to learn and operate, I considered. SUMV's DMS-3 that breathes with technology. A voluminous vehicle drives free off-road and can fly anywhere that is required. And the mobile integrated control system can deliver information about any place that is required. It was very interesting. I'll appreciate if you provide feedback about it. You can expect another challenge. Thank you so much for watching.